P2P trading stands for peer-to-peer trading. It's like a marketplace where you buy and sell crypto directly with other people. You don't need to go through a big exchange. This makes it simple and easy for beginners. Binance is a popular platform for P2P trading. It has a user-friendly interface. It also offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Plus, Binance has strong security measures in place. This helps to protect your funds. P2P trading gives you more control over your trades. You can choose who you want to trade with. You can also set your own prices. This can often lead to better deals compared to traditional exchanges. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Before you can start trading on Binance P2P, you need an account. Don't worry, it's easy to set up. Just go to the Binance website and click on Register. You'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password. Binance takes security seriously. You'll be asked to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Make sure to enable it for increased safety. Once you've registered, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for most crypto platforms. It helps to prevent fraud and keep the community safe. Verification is simple. Just upload a photo of your ID and a selfie. Binance will review your documents and approve your account shortly. Now that your account is set up, let's explore the Binance P2P platform. When you log in, click on P2P Trading in the top menu. This will take you to the main P2P Trading page. The interface is clean and intuitive. You'll see two main sections, buy and sell. If you want to buy crypto, click on buy. If you want to sell, click on sell. It's that straightforward. Below the buy and sell options, you'll see a list of offers. These are from other users on the platform. Each offer shows the cryptocurrency, the price, and the payment method. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're comfortable, you're ready to start trading. Let's walk through the process of buying crypto on Binance P2P. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy from the list. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether are popular choices. Next, enter the amount you want to buy. You can enter it in your local currency or in the cryptocurrency you're buying. The platform will automatically convert it for you. Now browse through the list of offers and choose one that suits you. Look for sellers with good ratings and a high completion rate. This indicates their reliability. Once you've found an offer, click on it to see more details. Double-check the price, the payment method, and the seller's terms. If everything looks good, click on Buy to proceed. Section 5. Selling your crypto, turning digital assets into cash. Selling crypto on Binance P2P is just as easy as buying. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Then, enter the amount you want to sell. Next, browse through the list of buy offers and choose one that matches your requirements. Pay attention to the price, the payment method, and the buyer's reputation. When you've found a suitable offer, click on it to review the details. If you're happy with the terms, click on Sell to initiate the trade. The buyer will then have a set amount of time to transfer the funds to your designated payment method. Once you receive the payment, release the crypto from your Binance escrow. Section 6. Staying safe, essential tips for secure P2P transactions. While P2P trading offers many benefits, it's crucial to prioritize safety. The decentralized nature of P2P transactions can sometimes attract malicious actors, so being vigilant is key. Here are some tips to protect yourself from scams and ensure smooth transactions. These guidelines will help you navigate the P2P trading landscape with confidence. Trade with verified users. Only trade with users who have completed Binance's verification process. This verification ensures that the user has provided necessary identification, adding a layer of security. This adds a layer of trust and accountability. Verified users are less likely to engage in fraudulent activities. Check user ratings and reviews. Before initiating a trade, review the buyer or seller's ratings and reviews. This can give you insights into their trading history and reliability. Look for users with a positive track record. Consistently high ratings and positive feedback are good indicators of a trustworthy trader. Use secure payment methods. Opt for payment methods that offer buyer or seller protection, such as reputable payment processors or bank transfers. Avoid using untraceable payment methods. Communicate clearly. Use the Binance P2P chat to communicate with the other party. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure both parties are on the same page. Clarify any doubts or concerns before proceeding with the trade. Make sure all terms are agreed upon to avoid disputes later. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious activity or attempts at fraud, report it to Binance support immediately. prompt reporting can help protect others in the community. By following these tips, you can enhance the security of your P2P transactions and enjoy a safe trading experience. Remember, staying informed and cautious is the best way to protect your assets. Section 7. Choosing the right offer. Understanding ads and payment methods. When you're browsing through P2P offers, it's essential to understand the information presented in each ad. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Pay close attention to the following. Price. The price is displayed in your local currency or the cryptocurrency you're trading. This helps you understand the exact cost and compare it with other offers. Compare prices from different sellers or buyers to find the best deal. Sometimes, a slight difference in price can significantly impact your overall transaction cost. Payment method. Each ad specifies the accepted payment method. This is crucial as it determines how you will transfer funds to complete the transaction. Common options include bank transfers, payment processors, and mobile wallets. Each method has its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks. Ensure you're comfortable using the offered method. Some methods may have additional fees or longer processing times, so choose wisely. Limits. Sellers and buyers often set minimum and maximum transaction limits. These limits can affect whether a particular offer is suitable for your needs. Check if the offer aligns with your desired trading amount. This ensures that you can complete the transaction without any issues. Completion rate. The completion rate indicates the percentage of successful trades completed by the user. A higher rate generally means a more reliable and trustworthy trader. Higher completion rates generally suggest greater reliability. This can give you peace of mind knowing that the trader has a good track record. By carefully considering these factors, you can select offers that meet your requirements and increase the likelihood of smooth transactions. This approach will help you navigate the P2P marketplace more effectively and make the most out of your trading experience. Completing the trade involves clear communication and confirmation. Once you've initiated a trade, it's important to maintain clear communication with the other party. Use the Binance P2P chat to confirm transaction details. Double-check the amount, the payment method, and any other relevant details before proceeding. If you're the buyer, promptly provide the seller with the required payment information. If you're the seller, confirm receipt of payment. If any issues or concerns arise, address them politely and seek a resolution together. Once the payment is made and confirmed, mark the order as paid as a buyer or release the crypto as a seller on the platform. Timely communication and confirmation ensure a smooth and efficient trading experience for both parties. Handling disputes can be a bit tricky, but Binance support and their resolution process are here to help. They have a dedicated team that works around the clock to ensure that any issues you face are resolved efficiently and fairly. While most P2P transactions on Binance go smoothly, disputes can occasionally occur. These disputes can arise from misunderstandings, technical glitches, or even simple human errors. If you encounter an issue first, try to resolve it directly with the other party through the Binance P2P chat. This chat feature is designed to facilitate direct communication and often helps in clearing up any confusion quickly. If you're unable to reach a resolution, you can contact Binance support for assistance. They offer multiple channels for you to reach out, including email, live chat, and even phone support in some regions. Provide them with all relevant trade details and evidence. This includes screenshots, transaction IDs, and any other documentation that can help clarify the situation. Binance will investigate the dispute and mediate between the parties involved. Their team of experts will carefully review all the provided information to ensure a thorough investigation. Cooperate fully by providing any requested information. The more detailed and accurate your information, the quicker and more effectively Binance can resolve the issue. Binance will review the evidence and make a decision based on their terms and conditions. They aim to be as transparent as possible throughout this process, keeping you informed at every step. Binance's dispute resolution process aims to ensure fair outcomes for all users. They strive to maintain a balanced and impartial approach, ensuring that both parties feel heard and respected. Remember to remain calm and patient throughout the process. Dispute resolution can take some time, but rest assured that Binance is committed to resolving your issue as swiftly and fairly as possible. Now let's talk about P2P trading fees and what you can expect. Binance charges minimal fees for P2P transactions, making it a cost-effective trading option. Here's what you need to know. Unlike traditional spot trading, P2P trading on Binance doesn't involve maker-taker fees. You can post ads and trade without incurring these charges. However, when you withdraw funds from your Binance account to your bank or other platforms, standard withdrawal fees may apply. Some payment methods used on Binance P2P may have their own transaction fees, so check with your chosen payment provider for details. Overall, P2P trading fees on Binance are generally lower than those on traditional exchanges, allowing you to keep more of your profits. In conclusion, embracing the P2P advantage on Binance offers a user-friendly, secure, and cost-effective way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Its intuitive interface, wide range of cryptocurrencies, and strong security measures make it an excellent choice for beginners. By following the step-by-step guides, safety tips, and insights provided in this comprehensive tutorial, you're well equipped to embark on your P2P trading journey with confidence. Remember to prioritize security, communicate clearly, and choose your trading partners wisely. With a little practice and awareness, you can leverage the benefits of P2P trading to buy and sell crypto directly with other users, potentially finding better deals and gaining greater control over your transactions. So take the leap and explore the exciting world of P2P trading on Binance today.